Bitcoin on track to replace gold as the dominant store of value. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Daily News. Hello and welcome to 4-Minute Crypto. Now, if you enjoy the 4-Minute Crypto show, please consider sponsoring the show. Take a look at 4minutecrypto.com/sponsor and see if there's a sponsorship level that works for you. Your support will help way more than you could possibly realize. Now, today's show is from a post by Samantha Chang at ccn.com. But before I start, I do want to remind you to please like, subscribe, and share. Venture capitalist Lou Kerner says Bitcoin is well on its way to replacing gold as the dominant store of value, noting that its market cap has already surpassed that of silver. I didn't know that. Kerner said that today the main store of value is gold, and it's an $8 trillion market. Bitcoin today is around $60 billion, so it has an opportunity to actually replace gold as the dominant store of value. Kerner, the founding partner of New York-based Crypto Oracle, said, despite the current bear market, cryptocurrency will be a far more disruptive technology than the internet was. Kerner predicted Bitcoin is kind of an early leader like the Yahoo of its day, and while it's a massive thing, well, it's not the thing right now. But in 20 years, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency will be off the charts, Kerner claimed. We really believe that in 20 years, Bitcoin will have created trillions of dollars in value, similar to that the internet has, and we are at the very beginning today. When asked why the Bitcoin price has plunged from its record high of $19,500 last December, Kerner said because the market got ahead of itself due to unchecked capitalism. Kerner said virtual currencies and blockchain would eventually prove that they are far more revolutionary than first imagined. Kerner continued by saying there's something called Amara's Law, which is that the impact of all great technology changes is overestimated in the short run, but underestimated in the long run. Basically, Kerner is saying that the true impact of cryptocurrency and blockchain won't be known until 20 years into the future, explaining that gold has had a 5,000-year run, and if you look at the history of currencies over time, 100% of them until 400 years ago went to zero. Now, if you think about a dollar, it's a Ponzi scheme, and that's fine, because this is how governments work. He continued, nobody thinks we're ever going to pay back the debt that we have. We're never going to pay back $20 trillion plus of debt. The only thing that is held up over time has been gold. That's how you store your value. Over time, all currencies degrade and eventually they all go to zero. So $8 trillion is stored in gold. Silver, the second biggest store of value, at $50 billion. Bitcoin is at $60 billion. So it's already taken over second place from silver as a store of value. So do you think Bitcoin can actually pass gold as a store of value? Let me know your thoughts on Twitter, where I'm at Gary Leland. And don't forget to join me every weekday for a new episode of 4-Minute Crypto. And while you're at it, don't forget to show your support for the show at 4minutecrypto.com/sponsor. Like I said, your support helps more than you realize. This is a CryptoCousins.com production.